Okay, here we go. I'm recording. All right, so write each fraction in the correct box. So this is something that we've worked on, right? That worksheet we did in class last week, we worked on, right? So we need to order them according to, think about a number line, right? So what I like to do is I like to just draw a number line. Oh, come on. I like to draw the number line, right? Oh, yeah, you can't, can you? Look at the camera, Mauricio. Oh, this is so annoying. I don't even care anymore. All right, here we go. So I like to draw the number line because for me that just gives me an idea visually of how I can plot these, right? Or where they would go. So let's take the first one, 1/8. Jasmine, where would that go? In the less than, the equal to, or the greater than? Carlos, come sit back here, please. Grab your stuff and come sit over here. Why would it be less than a half?
Because 1/2 and 1/8 they both have the same numerator, but then you have to look at the denominator, which one's greater.
Very good. So I have 1/8 less than a half. Thumbs up if you agree. Thumbs to the side if you're like, I really don't know. And thumbs down if you're like totally wrong. Sunny, are you going to join us? Yes or no? You need to find it. That's unacceptable. Let's go. Look in your may do, must do folder. That's where it should be. Okay, what about 5/8? What about 5/8? Hands down, 5/8. Leslie, where would that go? Into my equal to, less than, or greater than? Thumbs up if you agree. Thumbs to the side if you have no clue. Thumbs down if you think it goes somewhere else. I would agree it's greater than, right? It's not equal to, but I would say it's greater than, totally. Okay, now I'm going to give you guys about 2 minutes to go ahead and fill in the rest. Oops. Okay, Juliana and Brianna, you know what? Just leave her. Oh well, I guess you won't do that great on the test. But Sarah, it shouldn't take 3 to 2 people looking for your stuff. You need to be responsible. You need to be independent. This is unacceptable. Oh, okay. And remember that trick that Luis kind of taught us, in a way. If my numerator is half of my denominator, that means it's going to be equivalent, equal to a half on my number line. Remember that little trick? That's going to help you on the test. So, did you see it? Thomas, are you done with this? Okay, read a book. You're done? Just pull out a book to read real quick. Only a few more minutes. What did you need? Jasmine, put that in where I'll take it, please. You go towards my Starbucks for the morning. All right, here we go. So, what about 8/16? Who has the, where would 8/16 go on this? Anthony P. Equal, and because 8 is half of what?
16.
16, right? 8 times 2 is 16. 8 plus 8, very good. Okay. What about 9/16? Uh, Diego?
Greater than?
Thumbs up if you agree with greater than. Thumbs to the side if you're like, I don't even know what planet we're on. Thumbs down if you're like, no, I think it's another one. Julio M., why do you think it's another one? Okay, but he's saying it's greater than my half. So if I were to plot this, he's saying it would go somewhere on this side of the line.
Yes.
Do you agree or disagree? So where are you saying it belongs? On this side? Okay. Who else? I'm going to say it's on this side, and do you know why, Julio? Who can explain to Julio why it's on this side? Not just because, oh, it's 9, it's closer to 16, but there's a number in my problem that could help me justify my reasoning as to why it's greater than a half. Luis.
Because if you take away 1, it'll be 8/16, so 8/16 it will be, not just because it's closer to 16, but the 8/16 is in a half, so if you add one more, it'll be,
Yes. Okay, ladies, leave her stuff, just have a seat. Just leave it. Whatever, leave it. She needs to figure it out for herself. We can't keep doing this every day for her. So if you guys see that, we plotted 8/16 on the half, yes?
Yes.
So if this is 8/16, aka a half, the 9/16 would be right here. So it's greater than a half, right?
Because if you take 1, it would equal a half. It would be equivalent to a half.
There we go. So 9/16 is greater than a half. All right. Now, I know, I see that. 15/16, that one's really hard. That one's less than a half?
No.
Is it equal to a half?
No.
What is it? Tell me.
Greater.
Greater. And why is that?
Because it's almost a whole.
Because it's 1 away from being a whole. What about 5/16? Ian?
It's less than because it's less than.
It's less than, and a way I can tell you that is because I know this is 8/16, right? I already told you that 9/16 will go here, so definitely 5/16 is going to be along this line over here, correct? So very good. Who got those all right? Very good, very good. All right, next page. Megan, will you read number 5 out loud, please? Cashews. They're a type of like nut. Cashews? Yes. All right, so what you're going to do here is, we know that Casey bought 3/8 of a pound.